the distance between the point A 0,6 and B 0-2 is the distance between the point A 0,6 and B 0-2 is. Your time starts. Option A 6, option B 8, option C 4, option D 2. Yes, audience, tell your answer now. Yes, correct. Mount Elbrus. That is the correct answer. Many students have given. Okay, so let's see the second question now. Because I have given the question to group C. No one has raised the hand. Time near about. Okay, group C, Preeti Nag. Where is she? Okay, Khushi. Okay. Khushi, I have.
Option B.
Yes, option?
Hello?
Yes.
Sir, option B.
Option B.
Yes, sir.
Okay, option B. Let's see. Khushi has selected option B. Anyone want to change the answer? No. Okay. Let's see. Option. Wait a minute. Just wait a second. Just repeat the Khushi, which option you have selected.
Option B. 8.
Option B. Okay, note down,
Yes,
note down. Option B, please note down. Wait, I'll show you the answer. Okay. Just wait a second. Some technical error happens. Yes, your answer is correct. Your answer is correct. Khushi, your answer is correct. As you know that it is second round, you will get 1 marks, and if the answer is wrong, 1 mark will be deducted. I am repeating the rules. Your first round marks and second round marks will be total, and whatever the deduction will be there, that will be deducted. Okay, if you give the wrong answers. Now come to the second question. Group C. If two solid hemispheres of same base radius are joined together along their bases, then curved surface area of this new solid is option A 3 pi r square, option B 4 pi r square, option C 5 pi r square, option D 6 pi r square. Your time starts. If two solid hemispheres of same base radius are joined together along with their bases, the curved surface area of this new solid is option A 3 pi r square, option B 4 pi r square, option C 5 pi r square, option D 6 pi r square. For audience, let's see for you. Which is the largest ocean on the earth? Audience, which is the largest ocean on the earth? Audience, this question is for you. Which is the largest ocean on the earth? Yes, answer is coming. Yes, correct. Yes, group C. 1 minute is over. Fast. 1 minute over. Yes, Khushi and Hiral have raised the hand. Okay. Okay. Hiral hand is raised. So we will give chance first Hiral. Yes,
Sir,
Hiral.
option B.
Tell the answer fast.
Option B.
Option B. Correct? Okay. Khushi, you want to change the answer? Khushi, you want to change the answer? No. Okay. Then no problem is there. So let's see the answer. Correct. 4 pi r square. Option B. Correct answer. So keep it up. So let's see the third question now. Audience have given the correct answer also. Let's see the third question. Which of the following can not be determined graphically? Your time starts. Option A, mean. Option B, median. Option C, mode. Option D, none of these. Which of the following cannot be determined graphically? Option A, mean. Option B, median. Option C, mode. Option D, none of these. Yes, group C. This is your third question. Yes, audience. Okay, Samek. Okay, Samek, no problem. Let's see the next question to the audience. Preeti Nag, video not visible. Answer will be not considered. Preeti Nag's answer will be not considered. You have a video switch off. Sorry for that, Preeti. Yes, Khushi, we will consider your answer. Yes, Khushi, we will consider your answer. I have unmuted you. You can tell your answer.
Sir,
Type the option. Type the option. No problem. You lower hand. Voice not. I cannot hear you. Please type it in the chat box. You can unmute yourself first. Okay, Khushi says skip the question. Okay, Khushi, you have skipped the question. Okay, means one chance is there to skip the question. Okay, all of you agree? Hidal and Preeti are agree, correct na? Okay, good. I will show you the next question, which is on the screen. See it now. Just guess. Yes, audience. Anyone wants to guess? Anyone want to guess? Group E, you want to guess the answer? No mark is there. Yes, Sanskriti, you can also guess it. No problem is there. You can type it in the chat box. Okay, many options are coming. Bhumi is saying none of these. Many have selected mean also. Many have option selected A. Many students have selected. Let's see the answer now. Let's see. Yes, just tell, assume. Group C. चलो ऐसे अंदाज लगा लो कौन सा आंसर हो सकता है. Group E, you want to check chance, no marks will be deducted, don't worry. Group C and E, no marks will be deducted, just you assume. ऐसी अंदाज लगाओ कौन सा हो सकता है इसमें से. Yes, समृद्धि. Samriddhi, you can speak now. Hizal has said D. Okay, just see now. Just we will see. Okay, we will see. Okay, it is option A. Okay, but you have tell that skip the question, so we will skip and we will show you one more question to you. Okay, if triangle ABC and triangle DEF are similar such that twice of AB is equal to DE, twice of AB is equal to DE, and BC is equal to 8 centimeter, then again I am repeating the question. If triangle ABC and triangle DEF are similar such that twice of AB is equal to DE and BC is equal to 8 centimeter, then find EF. Your time starts. Option A 16 centimeter, option B 12 centimeter, option C 8 centimeter, option D 4 centimeter. Okay. Okay, for audience, which desert is the driest in the world? Which desert is the driest in the world? For audience question. Yes, correct. Audience answer is correct. Many are giving correct answer. Okay, fast. 1 minute 15 second. Group C, your time 120 second. 1 minute 20 second. Yes, Preeti. Or Preeti. Okay, Preeti. You can tell your answer.
Option A, 16 centimeter.
Option A. Okay, let's see. Anyone want to change the answer? No. Okay, let's see. Yes, it is correct answer. Option A, 16 centimeter. Good. It is correct answer. Next question. On the screen, marks, number of students are given for the following distribution. The number of students who got marks less than 30 is dash. The number of students who got marks less than 13 is dash. Your time starts. Option A, 13. Option B, 25. Option C, 10. Option D, 12. Fast. Audience, your answer is correct. Many have given the correct answer. Then also I will tell. Atacama Desert. Atacama Desert. Okay. Let's take audience one more question. Nephrology is the study of what? Okay, Preeti have raised the hand. Okay, Preeti. Preeti, everyone have raised the hand. Don't worry. One I will give the option. Okay, Preeti.
Option B, 25.
Option B. Okay, anyone want to change the answer? Hizal and Khushi. Anyone want to change the answer? No. So it is final answer. Shall I lock it now?
Yes.
Okay.
Final.
Final. Okay.
Yes.
Option B is 25. So 1 mark you will get. Okay. Your 4 question is over. It is last question. Okay. So it is on the screen. Fast. To divide a line segment AB in the ratio 4:7, a ray AX is drawn. Find first such that angle BAC is an acute angle, and then point A1, A2, A3 are located at equal distances on the ray AX, and the point B is joined to option A. Your time starts. A2, A4, option B, A11, option C, A10, option D, A7. Okay, again I'm repeating the question. To divide a line segment AB is the ratio 4:7. A ray AX is drawn first such that angle BAX is an acute angle, and then point A1, A2, A3 are located at equal distance on the ray AX, and the point B is joined to option A, A4, option B, A11, option C, A10, option D, A7. First, I think Preeti's camera is switched off. Her answer will be not considered. Preeti, your answer will be not considered. Your camera was switched off. So, Khushi and Hiral, you can give the answer fast. Khushi and Hiral can give the answer fast. 1 minute 13 seconds. Over. Okay. Many students have written different answers. Let's see what is the answer. Nephology is the study of cloud. C-L-O-U-D, cloud. Nephology, nephrology is not there. Nepho, N-E-P-H-O, N-E-P-H-O, nepho. Nephro nahi hai. Okay? Okay. 1 minute 52 seconds. Khushi, yes, Khushi, your answer will be considered. It is 1 minute 54 seconds. Okay, so your answer will be considered. Yes, fast. But your voice is not coming. You can type it now, or you show number fingers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can show the finger. Option A, finger 1. Option B, finger 2. Okay, option 1, Khushi has selected option A. Okay, Khushi, let's see what is the answer. Okay, let's see what is the answer. Yes, your answer is wrong. The correct answer is option B, A11. Because 4 plus 7, what it is? Correct, na? And it is angle BAX. Line segment is AB. So it will be joined at 11. A11. Very simple question. So you have lost 1 marks. Okay. So I will tell the marks afterward. Yes. Group E. You are ready? You can raise your hand. Group E. You can raise your hand. Group E. Samriddhi. Yes. Khushi, you can put your hands down. Okay. Yes, Samriddhi. You are ready? Okay. Group C. Yes, correct. Riya have given the correct answer. Okay. Now, Group C will not switch off their cameras. Please, Group C will not switch off their cameras. You have to also watch. Okay, what the group E is giving the answer and what they are doing there. They are calculating or not, or they are asking. Otherwise, you will tell to me. Okay, let's see your first question. Group E. Every rules and regulations you know. Your camera should not off. Round 1 marks will be calculated in round 2. Okay, negative answer is there. If your answer is wrong, negative mark is there. 1. You can change out of 5 questions. You can change 1 question. Okay. Let's start. Your first question is on the screen. The father's age is 6 times his son's age. 4 years hence, the age of the father will be 4 times his son's age. The present age of the son and the father are option A 4 and 24, option B 5 and 30, option C 6 and 36, option D 3 and 24. Your time starts. Yes, audience. Let's take one more question to you. The country having the largest area under tea cultivation is, name the country which have largest area under tea cultivation, TEAT cultivation, for audience. One minute 6 seconds. Ria's answer is wrong. Bhumi, group E. Okay, tell the option.
Sir, option C.
Okay, good. Option C. 1 minute 35 seconds. In 1 minute 35 seconds, you have given the answer. Option C. 6 and 36. Let's see. Yes, correct. Very good. 1 mark to you. Group E. Samriddhi, your hard work shows here because you alone play yesterday, day after yesterday. Correct, na? Or yesterday. Correct. So let's see the second question now, which is on the screen. See here. A diagram you can see. Correct? AB is a chord. AB is a chord of the circle and angle AOC. AOC is its diameter such that angle ACB is 50 degree. If AT is the tangent to the circle at the point A, then BAT, angle BAT is equal to dash. Angle BAT is equal to dash. Your time starts. Option A, 65 degree. Option B, 60 degree. Option C, 50 degree. Option D, 40 degree. Again, I am repeating the question. AB is the chord of the circle and AOC is diameter such that angle ACB is 50 degree. If AT is the tangent to the circle at the point A, then angle BAT is equal to dash. Option A, option B, option C, option D. Yes. Audience, no one has given the correct answer. Your correct answer is India. Yes. Shreyas Desai have given the correct answer. Okay, sorry Shreyas. You have given the correct answer. Okay, audience, you can take one more question now. What are the 3 R's of recycling? What are the 3 R's of recycling? In our school, we have done this activity. Correct. Om. Audience from audience. Correct answer. Okay. Okay. Yes, Aryan, you have raised the hand. I will unmute you. Samriddhi, Aryan has raised the hand first. He will give the answer. If you want to change, you can change this. No problem is there. I'm giving chance to
Sir,
everyone.
option C, 50 degree.
Option C, 50 degree.
Yes, sir.
Somebody want to change? No. Okay. Somebody don't want to change the answer. Let's see what is the answer. Option C have selected by Aryan. Yes, Aryan. Very good. Very simple answer. It is very simple answer actually. No need to calculate. Which theorem it is? Yes, anyone audience can tell me which theorem it is? Aryan, don't ask to anyone. Yes, audience, can anyone tell me? Fast. Yes, Bhumi. Okay. Bhumi have given the correct answer. Okay, let's see the next question. I think this is the third question to group E. The sum of the squares of two consecutive natural number is 313. The numbers are, the sum of the squares of two consecutive natural number is 313. The numbers are, your time starts. Option A, 12, 13. Option B, 13, 14. Option C, 11, 12. Option D, 14, 15. Deepika Tiwari have given the correct answer for reduce, reuse and recycle. Correct. These are the three R's. Okay. Tell me what is the SI unit of force for audience? SI unit of force. Yes, very good. Simple question. Okay. I think group 10th A students, no one is giving the answer. What happened to you? It isn't taught to you or what? Yes. Group E. It is near about 1 minute over. 1 minute over. Only 1 minute is remaining. The sum of the square of two consecutive natural number is 313. The square numbers are option A, option B, option C, option D. Yes, from audience. Who has raised the answer? Aryan. Okay, Aryan. You can tell the answer now.
Sir, option A, 12 and 13.
Option A. Yes, Samriddhi, you want to change the answer? No. Okay, it is final answer. Shall I lock it now? Okay, let's see what is the answer. Yes, it is correct answer. Option A, 12 and 13. Very good. You will get 1 marks. Okay, let's see the next question. Group E. Fast. How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? Your option starts, your time starts. Option A, 30. Option B, 60. Option C, 90. Option D, 50. Yes, audience. Which is the smallest country? Audience, which is the smallest country? Audience, which is the smallest country? This question is for you. Yes, correct. Oh. Vatican City is the smallest. Vatican City. Correct. Vatican City. Very good. I am noting also who from audience who is giving the answer. Okay, Preeti Nag have, sorry, Samriddhi have raised the hand. Samriddhi has raised the hand. Yes, Samriddhi.
Option A.
Option A. Aryan, you want to change the answer? No. Okay, or Aryan says no. Option A has selected by Samriddhi. Correct? Let's see. Option A. Yes, it is correct answer. Samriddhi, it is correct answer. Group C, you have 2 words. group E is going well. Yes, how many questions over now? 4 question is over. It is last question. Okay. So up to here you have played well. Let's see the 5th question. It is on the screen. The radii of the top and bottom of a bucket of slant height 13 centimeter are 9 centimeter, 4 centimeter respectively. The height of the bucket is option A 10 centimeter, option B 12 centimeter, option C 15 centimeter, option D 16 centimeter. Your time starts. The radii of the top of the bottom of a bucket of slant height 13 centimeter are 9 centimeter and 4 centimeter respectively. The height of the bucket is. Yes, audience can also send the message privately only. Audience, you can also solve this. Same question you can also solve. The radii of the top and bottom of a bucket of slant height 13 centimeter are 9 centimeter and 4 centimeter respectively. The height of the bucket is. Very simple question it is. Yes, from audience. You can also reply. But only in private chat. You have option to change the question, I think. Correct, na? You have the option to change the question. I think you have not used this lifeline. 1 minute 46 seconds. Yes. Aryan and Samriddhi both have raised the hand. Yes, Aryan, you can.
Sir, I think B 12 centimeter.
Yes, Samriddhi. Samriddhi, you will go on Aryan's answer or you want to change the question? Depend on you. Telling second. Okay, final. Lock किया जाए. Aryan, you want to change the question? No. Okay. Option B. Correct na? Yes, yes. Option B. Let's see the answer now. Yes, it is correct answer. Congratulate Group E. You have given all the 5 question answers. Okay. So you will get 5 marks. Let's see add and subtraction of the Group A and Group B. Group A student, Group B student, please switch on the cameras. Group A, Group B. Group C, don't go. You should also present. Group, because it is very tough fight. Yes, that Group A, raise the hand. Group A, raise the hand. Blue color, raise the hand. Group A and Group B. Group A and Group B only will raise the hand. Group A, Diksha is there, Neha is there, Sanskriti is there. Group B. Group B, na? Yes, Group B. Group C. Okay, Group A and B. Let's see your marks. You are ready? Group B, you are there? Group B is where? Only Neeraj is present in Group B. Okay, Om is there. Om and Neeraj. And Sameer. समीर तो गार्डन में घूमते रहता है, कैमरा स्विच ऑफ हो जाता है उसका. Sit at one place, Sameer. Okay, listen the question. Listen the marks. Sorry. Group A. In first round, you have scored 6 marks. Correct? In first round, you have scored 6 marks. And in the second round, you have scored, tell. You have given 4 answers. Correct, na? You have given 4 answers. So 6 plus 4, 10. But 1 negative marking is there. So 10 minus 1, 9. Correct? So your mark is 9. Note down your marks. Group A have 9 marks. Okay? Now, Group B. Group B have 4 marks. Group B have 4 marks in first round. Yes? Group B? Yes or no? Group B, you have 4 marks in first round. Correct? In the second round, we have given all the 5 question answer. Correct? So 5 plus 4, 9. So it is tie up. Okay? So let's take one question, Group A and Group B. But the option will be not given to you. Time will be 1 minute. Very simple question, logical question, practical question. You are ready? No need of calculation. There is no need of calculation. Only logical question is there. You have to Group C and Group D. You will wait Group C and Group E. So Group C and Group E, you have to wait. Okay? I will tell your marks afterward when Group A and B decide who will come in the final. Okay? So Group A and B, one question will be given to you, both Group A and Group B, one question will be given. Who will raise the hand first will given the chance. Co-host, please check who is raising the hand. Co-host, please check who is raising the hand first. Okay? If anyone's camera will be off, their answer will be not considered. Oh, show your face clearly. Your face is not seen properly. Yes, Samir. Ready? Only one question will be given. Who will give the answer fast? Who will raise the hand fast? Will given the chance. Okay? So this is tiebreaker. Not only in cricket, but in quiz also tiebreaker question is there. So just see whose brain work here. Let's see the first question. Okay? Let's see the first question. Only 1 minute will be there. Only 1 minute you will get. Who am I? Who am I? All question. This question will carry only 1 mark. Okay? Okay? Yes. Let's see, only 1 mark. Huh? I am larger than half of 100. I am more than 6 tenths and less than 7 tenths. My tens digit is 2 less than 1's digit. My digit have a sum of 14. It is only 1 question. Huh? It is not 4 or 5 questions. It is only 1 question. I am your time starts. Who will raise the hand first? Let's see. I am saying 13 seconds, 14 seconds. I am larger than half of 100. I am more than 6 tenths and less than 7 tenths. My tens digit is 2 less than 1's digit. My digit have a sum of 14. Don't search in Google. You will not get the answer. Because it is tiebreaker. Yes, Neeraj has raised the hand.
Sir, 68.
Disqualified. Neeraj, if it is wrong answer, you will be disqualified and the group A will get the chance. Okay?
Sir, wait. Sir, wait.
No wait, you have selected. You have selected, you have raised the hand. You have to tell the answer fast. Otherwise, you will be disqualified. Yes, Neeraj. You can unmute yourself now.
Sir, 68.
68. Okay, let's see the answer. Let's see the answer. Okay, let's see the answer. What is the answer? Yes, I am 68. Correct. Neeraj, it is 68. So group B have qualified for the third round. Sorry, group A. Okay. But no doubt you have played well. So everyone, I think at home they can clap you because you have taken part. But group B have done well and they have given the answer. So it is simple question. It is 68 because it is larger than half, means and present between 60 and 70. My tens digit is 2 less than the ones. So my digit have some 14. 6 plus 8 is 14. Very simple question it is. Correct? Okay. So from A and B, B have qualified for round 3. B have qualified for round 3. Now come to C, group C and E. Group C and E. You are ready? Group C and E. Just raise your hand now. Group C and D. You are ready? Sure. Where are group C and D? Group C and D. Samriddhi is there. Hiral is there. Others can put their hands down so that I can identify them clearly. Others, group A and group B can put their hands down. Okay, ready? Samir, you put your hands down, please. Samir, you can put your hands down. Blue color hand. Yes, okay. Now I can see. Preeti's Nans, yes, Preeti, your camera is switching off. If your camera will switch off, we will not consider your answer. Okay? So you understood now the rule. Let's see your marks. Group C. Group C have 6 marks. Correct? Group C. Yes or no? In first round marks, right? Is first round marks it is 6 marks. Yes or no? Correct? So in group C have 6 marks in first round. Let's see the second round marks. Group C. Out of 5 questions, you have given 4 answers. Correct? Correct? So 6 plus 4 is what? 10. But you have given one wrong answer. So 10 minus 1 is 9. So your marks is 9. Group C have 9 marks. Okay? Now group E. In group E, 2 marks in first round. 4 marks. Sorry, 2 answers given, 4 marks. 2 answers given, 4 marks. Correct, Samriddhi? Yes, na? 4 marks. But in round second, you have given 5 answers. All correct. So 4 plus 5 is 9. So again it is tie up. Okay. So you are ready for tiebreaker. Yes. You will get only one question on the screen. You have to take only 1 minute, and who will give the answer fast will given a chance to tell. Once you have raised the hand, you cannot deny to give the answer. Okay? And if your camera switch off, we will not consider your answer. Ready? Sure? Group C and Group E. Let's see. Yes, think properly. Okay? You can use your brain here. Only 1 minute you will get. The question is on the screen. Add the decimal. Add the decimal. Add the decimal. Okay? Decimal. 0.29 plus 19.06, 19.006 plus 2.8 plus 148.39. You will get only 1 minute. Your time starts. Yes, audience, you can also try. You can also try. Audience, use the brain. Don't put cloud on your brain. Yes, it is. Yes, Preeti has raised the hand. Preeti has raised the hand. Preeti, your camera should not off, huh? Otherwise you answer yes. Samriddhi also raised the hand. But first, Preeti will get the chance. Okay, Preeti.
Answer is 170.54. 170.54.
170.54, correct? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Samriddhi, you can also give the answer if you want.
170.548.
Repeat again, please.
170.48.
170.48. Okay. Okay, let's see whose answer is correct. So,
Sir.
yeah.
Sir.
Preeti, tell now.
Sir, once check. 170.
0.54. You have written 170 means 170.54. Your answer, you cannot change your answer now. You cannot change your answer because time is also
Okay, sir.
okay. And Aryan's Samriddhi's answer also I have noted 170.48. So for you two, I have noted the answer. But first chance will be given to Preeti now. Okay? Ready? Preeti. 170.486. 170. Both the answers are wrong. Both the answers are wrong. Both the answers are wrong. Preeti as well as Samriddhi. Your answer is wrong. You cannot do a simple decimal calculation. See. Yes, Ankita. I know that you have done in a calculator. I can see you. Okay, let's see on the next question. Okay, one more question is there for you. Okay, you are ready? Sure? Let's see. It is on the screen now. Ram traveled 6 kilometer, 52 meter by bus, 3 kilometer, 265 meter by car, and the rest 2 kilometer, 30 meter he walked. How much distance did he travel in all? Your time starts. I will give the option also, don't worry. A, 8.347 kilometer. B, 11.347. C, 11.387. D, 8.247. Fast, only 1 minute you will get. Let's see who will raise the hand. You will not get in the net. Please, if you calculate, you can do it yourself. Audience, you can also try. Ria, I can see your answer. Yes, Khushi has raised the hand. Khushi has raised the hand. Khushi has raised the hand. Yes, Khushi. I am unmuting you. Yes, wait.
Yes, sir.
Wait, Khushi, wait. Anyone wants to tell the answer from group E? Group E. Afterward, you will not get the answer because it is 51 second, 52 second. Yes, Aryan has raised it. Okay, Aryan. So first, Khushi will get the chance. Okay, Khushi.
Sir, option B, 11.347 kilometer.
11.347 kilometer. Just I have noted. 11.347 kilometer.
Option B, sir.
Option B. Okay, Aryan, it's your chance now. Aryan, it's your chance now. Aryan, you want to tell any option?
Sir, sir, I think we B.
B.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see what is the answer. Okay, option B is correct. So group C. Khushi, your answer is correct. You, group C, has qualified for third round. Okay, so third round we will play tomorrow. That is rapid fire. Rapid fire. You have to give answer very fast. No option will be given to you. Some question option will be given for some question. Okay, so all of you are ready for rapid fire. Okay, best of luck. Thank you. Okay, we will stop here. We will stop here. Goodbye to everyone.